Good afternoon, everybody. This is Robert at Scott Leroy Marketing. Today we're going to show you a little about using the map in Kelle. You can use the map to view listings around you. You can use the map to find local agents. You can also use the map to view your clients' locations based on the addresses that you put into the KW command system. This is not real-time live tracking of where their phones are. It's based on the address that you put into their contacting command. So we're going to open up our Kelle app, get to the home page, and down in the bottom right, we'll tap on our menu here, these three horizontal gray bars, and then we'll tap on map right here. And by default, it's going to show listings. That's what the little icon up near the search bar is here. That looks like a yard sign there. That's because it's showing listings. So if I zoom out here and I go over to Dayton, which is going to have many more listings than where I am currently, I'll search this area here. And now it's going to show me listings that are in this area. And if I tap on any of those listings, I'll see information about those. I can also come up here and tap on this icon and tap on agents, the first one here, and do search this area. Come on then. There we go. Here's our market center just off of 70 and 75. This is several agents in a market center here, and you could zoom in further to expand that out. And then also, if you tap on this icon one more time, you can tap on contacts here, and this is going to show contacts that are near you. And I'm going to go back to my actual location here and zoom out because I put in some fake addresses for my contacts here. If I tap on search this area, now I've got a couple of contacts that I added addresses for that are here in Richmond. These are fake addresses, or they're real addresses, but they're not real for these contacts. So if I tap on any of those, see Brian Reeton here, he's got this information. I can text him right here, or I can get directions over to where his location is. It's going to open up Apple Maps. If I go back to Kelle here, I can tap on this other contact here. I've got my Allen agent here. I can send him a text message from right here, and it'll open up the texts on my phone. So that's how you can use the map search on your Kelle app to find the addresses of your contacts or other agents near you. If you have questions about that, feel free to shoot us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com.